An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Question number 1. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? Answer. Kalpana Chawla was born at Karnal. She was born in India but married to an American and became naturalized citizen. So she is called an Indian American. Answer. In 1982, she went to US. Kalpana Chawla went to US for higher studies in aeronautical engineering. There she met flight instructor James Perry Harrison. Question number 3. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her idea that she could be astronaut? Answer. Kalpana Chawla had already got a bachelor's degree in aeronautical engineering before she went to US. She earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. She was engaged by the people around her. Question number 4. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? Answer. An astronaut needs to know a lot biology, astronautical engineering. He/she must have wide knowledge of science subject. Question number 1. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first space mission. Answer. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 32 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times. Question number 2. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Answer. In her message to college students of Chandigarh from space, she said that it was always possible to really realize one's dream. One could certainly get success provided one has the vision and courage to perform. Yes, I do agree with her on this point. Word meanings. 1. Broke apart. Part separated. 2. Spread. Become widely known. Streaked. Lift a thin line or work. Lift off. Take off. Blast off. Take off noisily. 6. Went on. Continued. 7. Cheered along. Encourage. 8. On board. Inside the plane. 9. Carry on. Continue doing something. Question. Add un to words below to make their opposite. 1. Identified, unidentified. 2. Controlled, uncontrolled. 3. Attended, unattended. 4. Successful, unsuccessful. Important, unimportant. Educated, uneducated. Interesting, uninteresting. Qualified, unqualified. Trained, untrained. Answerable, unanswerable.